Why does your scanner show the P084B engine code? What does it mean? P084B is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission, fluid pressure sensor or switch, H, circuit range, or performance. The P084B code indicates the PCM or TCM detected an abnormal signal from the H fluid pressure sensor. Hydraulic pressure does not match the expected gear state. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty transmission fluid pressure, wiring issues or poor connections, low transmission fluid level, contaminated or old fluid, internal transmission failures. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Honda, Nissan, and Mitsubishi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.